Pwy wyt ti, o le wyt ti'n dod a pa ysgolion BSE?
Fy enw yw Savanna Jones. Dwi'n byw yng Nghaerdydd. Es I ysgol gynradd Pencau ac yna I ysgol uwchradd Plasmawr.
Teresa Jones ydw I. So mae gen I tai o feched, Savanna, Seren a Sian.
So, nes I sôn gynharach bod rai pobl, rai disgyblion wedi gweud fath o geiriau hurt o hiliaeth I ti. Alle ti fi'n gwybod falle byddai'n anodd. Ti'n gallu dweud I fi pa fath o geiriau neu pa fath o bethau yn cael ei ddweud wrtho ti?
So, pobl yn dweud gwahanol enwau I fi, enwau hiliol, o'n nhw falle wedi clywed mewn caneuon, neu oedd pobl yn dweud, nhw'n clywed pobl yn dweud yn y cyfryngau. So oedd pobl hefyd yn galw fi'n half-caste, heb cydnabod be oedd hanes yr gair yna, neu yn cydnabod sut bys hwnna'n neud I fi teimlo fel person hil-gymysg sy'n dod o deulu caredig, ac felly oedd hwnna hefyd yn anodd.
Now, my last interview with Savanna on here, she mentioned that she had dealt with racial slurs and slangs said to her. How does that make you feel as a parent, and were you aware of these situations as she was growing up?
Right. No, we were not aware. I wasn't surprised that they'd had them, I guess, but I was surprised that they hadn't discussed them fully. The three girls were so different. You got the middle one, Seren, who is like this, right? And she'll tell you everything. Shan, the younger one, is a little bit that way, but Savanna you really have to get things out of her. So yeah, it's sad. I wouldn't say I was shocked. I was just sad that they had that experience, and also sad that they hadn't really thought that they could discuss those with us.